Okay, here's your SpyGlass cart. It is in the IR supply room. The code to the door is 727 star. So when you wheel it in, there's just one plug. You got this plug coming off of it, goes right in there. And then here's your image processor right there. Here's where your EHL works. And this is for your forced irrigation pump, right? So you turn it on here. The power switch for the EHL is around back. Flip that on. Your power button for your pump is right there. Push it in. You want to hit the 3 drops. This puts it at 80% power. So get a bottle of saline. You're going to need the irrigation tubing. You're going to need the scope. And this is the EHL probe. Everything else you already have on your common bile duct cart. You'll see the image go right there. If you want to route the image anywhere else, here are the outputs. You got DVI, VGA, and S video. Anywhere you can put one of those cords, you can route the image to. Okay, so when you get the scope out of the package, first thing you do is go for the Y port right here. Cap off this accessory port. You can do your completion cholangiogram through here if you want. This is where the wire and the devices will go through. Make sure you tighten it or loosen it depending if you're using it or not. And the bottom of it will go right onto here. This is where the channel is, right? So this is for irrigation and suction. You're going to hook up your irrigation bottle tubing to here, and this one we don't really ever use. Just close this off. So you can see the tubing runs through here. You just got to make sure that you put it on before this blue line, right? So from the bottle through the machine, close this, and then the other end you're going to attach to the blue end right here. Just like that, right? Your staff will untangle the scope, and then there's only one way to plug it in. Plug that right in, and it'll turn on automatically. It'll focus, white balance, everything will be done automatically. This turns the light on and off. This turns the brightness up or down. Now if you do need to use EHL, this white cord here, this is reusable, don't throw this out. You'll need this to connect the probe to, and then this is where the pedal goes. Snaps in. This is the pedal for EHL. This is the pedal for irrigation. Now I opened this probe. This comes out of this box. And what you need to do is connect this part to that part. And you'll see right now it's asking you to connect the probe. But once I make that connection, hold on, I'm making the connection. Once I make this connection, it'll now say standby. And once it does that, you still have to press this green play button. Now it's ready. Now it's a live probe ready to fire. The settings you want to use are medium, 15 to start. And if that's not enough to break the stone, but it usually is, you can go up to high. But I like keeping it at 15. Now this is going to make a noise, but it won't make a noise in the patient. But when you step on the pedal, it'll send no more than 15 shots. You hold on the pedal as long as you want. Only 15 shots at a time. If you give it a little tap, it might give less. You see it only did 5 there, but no more than 15. The other accessories you have, the baskets, the wire, everything will fit down the scope, goes right through that channel.